With just a written script, you can create a complete video with visuals, voiceover, and background music in just a few minutes.
Woo!
In this video, I'll show you how to use FLIKI from start to finish. We'll walk through the interface you'll be using every day, understand how the dashboard is organized, and then create a real video step by step, from a ready-made script all the way to the final export. Whether you're completely new to FLIKI, creating content for YouTube, TikTok, Facebook Reels, or working on promotional videos, this walkthrough will help you clearly understand where everything is and how to use it efficiently. Let's start by taking a look at the FLIKI dashboard and how the interface is structured. Chapter 1. FLIKI Dashboard Overview. After logging into FLIKI, this is the main interface you'll be working with on a daily basis. To keep things simple for beginners, FLIKI is organized into two main sections, so you don't feel overwhelmed when you first open it. The first section is the content creation area, located right in the center of the screen. This is where you start creating your content, and FLIKI clearly separates it into three types: video, audio, and design. If you're creating content for YouTube, Shorts, or Reels, you'll mainly use the video section, where you can create videos from a script, an idea, a URL, a PowerPoint file, an existing recording, or even start from a blank file. The audio section is designed for generating voiceovers or podcast-style audio using AI voices. And the design section is for creating supporting visuals like thumbnails, social media posts, or presentations. The second section is the left side menu, which is used to manage and organize everything you create. Home is where you return whenever you want to start a new project. Files stores all of your videos, audio files, and projects, whether they're unfinished or already exported. Templates allow you to reuse ready-made layouts to create content faster. Voices is where you manage and choose AI voices, so you can keep a consistent voice across your content. Brand kits help you maintain a consistent visual and branding style. Team is used when you collaborate with others and need to manage access. And automation is for creators who produce content at scale and want to automate parts of their workflow. Simply put, the center of the screen is where you create content, and the menu on the left is where you manage and organize everything. Once you understand these two sections, using FLIKI becomes very straightforward. Now, let's create a real video from a ready-made script so you can see how FLIKI works in practice. Chapter 2. Creating a video. Now that you understand the interface, let's create a video from a ready-made script so you can see the full process in action. From the home screen, I select Script-Based Video, and FLIKI opens the script to video workflow. The first screen is where I paste my script. I simply drop the entire script into this box, and FLIKI will use it as the foundation for the video. If you want, you can also enable summarization, but in this case, I'll keep the script exactly as it is and move on. Next, FLIKI takes me to the template step. This is where I choose the video format and layout. I can select the aspect ratio depending on where I plan to post the video, such as vertical for Shorts or landscape for YouTube. Below that, FLIKI offers different visual templates that control how scenes are arranged and displayed. If you want to move fast, you can simply keep the default template and continue. In the final step, I customize how the video will be generated. This is where I choose the language and voiceover, decide whether to use stock media or AI-generated images, and select the overall visual style. I can also apply a brand kit, add an AI avatar, or adjust other settings if needed. Once everything looks good, I submit the project, and FLIKI starts generating the video automatically. This entire process only takes a short moment, and once it's done, you'll have a complete video created directly from your script. Chapter 3. Editing Scenes. Once the video is generated, this is where the final adjustments happen. On the left side, you can see all the scenes created from the script. By clicking on any scene, I can preview it in the main player and quickly decide if something needs to be changed. If a visual doesn't match the message, I can replace it with a different image or video. I can also adjust the length of each scene to improve the pacing, or update the on-screen text if needed. At the top of the editor, FLIKI provides quick access to tools like media, text, graphics, and recording options, making it easy to enhance individual scenes without leaving the editor. Before exporting, this is a good moment to pause and watch the video from start to finish. This helps make sure the visuals, voiceover, and timing all flow naturally as a complete video.
Every day, we spend hours scrolling through videos without realizing how powerful content creation has become. Today, you don't need a camera, a microphone, or editing skills to create professional videos. With the right tools, a simple script can turn into a complete video in just a few minutes. This is especially useful for YouTube, social media, and online education content. In this video, you'll see how a written script can automatically become visuals, voiceover, and scenes. Let's take a look at how this process works step by step.
Once everything looks and sounds right, exporting the video is very simple. I click the download button and the export window opens. Here, I choose the resolution based on where I plan to publish the video. For most use cases, 1080p is a great balance between quality and file size. The format is set to MP4, which works perfectly for YouTube and social media platforms. After that, I click Start Export, and FLIKI begins rendering the final video. When the export is finished, the video is ready to download and publish. Chapter 4. FLIKI Pricing Overview. Before we finish, let's briefly look at FLIKI's pricing. FLIKI offers a free plan so you can try the platform without a credit card. Paid plans start at a monthly price that unlocks higher quality exports, more usage credits, and removes the watermark. As you move to higher tiers, you get more minutes, more customization options, and features designed for larger workflows. The key point is that you can start for free, learn the tool, and only upgrade when you actually need more capacity. And that's the complete walkthrough of FLIKI. From understanding the dashboard, creating a video from a script, editing the scenes, to exporting the final result. If this tutorial helped you understand how FLIKI works, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. And if you have any questions or want to see a deeper tutorial on a specific feature, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.